Hello everyone, I'm Shahir, data scientist here at Syntax Technologies. Today I'm going to give you an overview of Pandas, which is a very powerful data manipulation and analysis library in Python. So let's get right into it. Here I am using Jupyter as my programming environment. The first step is to import the library, and for that I'll type import pandas as PD, where PD is just an alias or a nickname for pandas. Now I'm going to bring in the dataset, and for that I'll use a function from the Pandas library. The function is nothing but a black box which takes an input and returns an output. Every function has its own purpose. First, I'll create a variable cars to store my dataset. Then I'll call the readCSV function to get data from a CSV file which is located online. Here, the purpose of readCSV function is to get and read data from a CSV file. The input it takes is the location of the CSV file, and the output is the dataset which I'm storing in the cars variable. Let's print out the dataset to have a look at it. So in my dataset, I have 4 columns and 7 rows. Let's say I want to extract the countries column. For that, I can index my dataset, which is stored in the cars variable, and I'm going to index it with the column name that I want. So I want the country. So in this way, it gives us the country column. And similarly, I can extract multiple columns from a data set as well. Therefore, it outputs the specified columns only. I can also extract rows from a data set by specifying the starting and the ending index for those rows. Let's say I want to extract the first 3 rows from my data set, and for that I can index my cars variable with the starting index and the ending index. Here 0 is the starting index and 3 is the ending index. Here you guys must be wondering why is the row on the index 3 is not extracted. And this is because the row placed on the ending index is not included, and counting in Python starts from 0. So see how easy it is to extract columns and rows using pandas, and there's a lot more we can do with it. If you guys are interested to learn more about data science or want to start or transition your career, then visit our website at syntaxtax.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good one. Bye bye.